Does helping your child learn sometimes feel like climbing a mountain? Well, today I am here to show you how to make learning just not easier but fun and effective for your 6 to 12 years old. Stick with me and we'll explore the strategies that will make memorizing with understanding a breeze. Understanding before memorizing. The first rule of effective learning. Understanding comes first. Before the child starts memorizing, help them grasp the why behind the concept. For example, if they are learning about the water cycle, show them real life examples. Take a glass of cold water, watch the condensation, and explain how it's a part of the same process they are studying. Making the connection between their studies and the real world is powerful. Use stories to make concepts stick. Kids love stories. Turn any topic into a narrative. For example, if your child is studying the solar system, make the planets character into a story. Like once upon a time, there was a bright star named Sun, and she had 8 playful planets who orbited her. When concepts become characters, children engage emotionally and make it easier to remember. Chunking information. Big chunks of information can overwhelm kids. Break into smaller manageable bits. If they are learning about animals, group them by habitat. Like all these animals live in water and all these live on land. The brain loves patterns and categories. It's like sorting a messy toy box into neat sections. Active recall. Did you know testing your child before they feel ready helps them remember better? This is called active recall. Ask open-ended questions like, can you explain what happens when water evaporates? Encourage them to answer in their own words. Make it visual and interactive. Use visuals like mind maps, diagrams, or even simple doodles. For example, if your child is learning about ecosystems, create a colorful diagram showing plants and animals and how they are all connected, or let them draw their own. Use mnemonics and songs. Turn information into fun rhymes or songs. For example, if they need to remember the order of planets, create a catchy tune like "My very educated mother just served us noodles." Role play and hands-on activities. Learning is so much more fun when it's hands-on. If they are learning about historical figures, let them dress up and act out a short play. For science, create simple experiments at home like building a model ecosystem with jar, soil, and some plants. Encourage teaching others. One of the best ways to solidify understanding is to teach. Ask your child to explain the topic to you or sibling or even their stuffed toys. When they teach, they process the information in a deeper way. Incorporate movement. Does your child have endless energy? Use it. Pair movements with learning. For example, while reciting facts about the food chain, they can mimic the actions of animals, like jump like a frog or buzz like a bee. Create a fun learning environment. Set up a cozy and inviting study space. Add colorful posters or whiteboard or even a reward chart. Make this area the special place for focused, enjoyable learning. Take breaks and stay positive. Learning shouldn't feel like a chore. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break. And remember, always praise their efforts. A positive attitude can work wonders for their confidence. And there you have it. Simple, effective ways to help you kids memorize and understand while keeping the process fun and stress-free. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more parenting hacks. See you in the next one.